Good morning. Yes, I seem to do videos in the morning. Maybe I look more tired later. But one of the things I wanted to get across today, and I'll keep it short and sweet, is that a lot of buyer clients or potential buying clients have been calling us to find out questions about the process in general. So the purpose of this little video clip is to just say, I offer a free, I'll repeat that, free I call it Home Buying 101 tutorial. These days we do it virtually, like via Zoom or Google Meets or whatever. So it's about 90 minutes, and it goes through all the stages of buying a home, effectively looking for a home, searching for a home, how to get pre-approved, with whom, what happens at a home inspection, what happens at a closing, what are your out-of-pocket costs during your search as you get closer to that home of your dreams. And in this market particularly, because it's so competitive, how to be a better buyer. I think that better buyers are ones that are more well-informed and more educated. So do yourself a favor and drop me a line, email me, call me, and let's schedule this. It's very easy. You can do it in the evening once the kids are asleep or the dog's asleep, or you're, in front of the camera, the two of you, three of you, four of you, whatever, bring in the family. And it'll just be a very casual going through all the stages, and with all the questions that you have. I think people are embarrassed sometimes because they think, oh, my questions are going to be stupid. Of course they're stupid. You don't have any knowledge. They're not stupid questions. Any question's a valuable question. And I always like to invite people to bring friends along, because in the future they might be wanting to buy a house too, and might as well, more the merrier. So again, it's free. Home Buying 101 tutorial, Zoom, whatever, virtual, daytime, evening, weekends, whenever, and you get in, and I'll do it from my home. As you can see, I'm at home right now, and I even made the bed. So over there, right over there. So, in any case, hope everybody's doing well. Again, give me a call, 617-435-3675. You can text me if you want to sign up for the tutorial, or email me, mpolaris55@gmail. A lot of you want to become a better buyer. I want you to become a better buyer, and it is possible. So let's learn together. I will teach you how to be a better buyer, and let's move forward. Okay? Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.